Hey guys, what's happening? Andy Gordon back with you for another pack opening and my faction update. WrestleMania 41, sorry. I'm getting a year ahead of myself. WrestleMania 41 Volume 2 has been released and gives us 18 new cards with 4 new live events that are forthcoming. They all end up coming live tomorrow. The first one is Sound the Sirens, which is an ambulance match against Roman Reigns using a Sapphire Kofi Kingston. The rewards are pretty much the same, except for the Apex rewards. So we have a Ruby Maxine Dupree that you can win with a Sapphire Kyrie. Thankfully, she's a striker. Actually, both are strikers, so that bodes very well for us. The Tier 1, 2, and 3 rewards are the same. The only difference is the Apex rewards. So you get a Deluxe Volume 1 WrestleMania 41, Basic Volume 2 pack, and a Basic Tempest pack. So if you don't have any of your Tempest pack cards yet, which if you've completed the one that was a few weeks ago, looks like it's no longer live, and got that Emerald Tempest Candice LeRae, you unfortunately have missed out. Hopefully they bring that up again. But basically, also as well, if you don't have any, if you still need to complete your Tempest, you have a chance to do that. So this one is an ambulance match, and this one looks like just a regular one-on-one match. And the modifiers are recovers 10% of damage inflicted as Vitality for Rhea, and then this one is earn special 15% slower. Then there's these two that are worth 4,000 MFP apiece, which is pretty decent considering how expensive the packs are. And then you get the Kane Birthday Bash, which is 1,500 MFP. So all in all, it's pretty good. Those are all live tomorrow. As far as the collection level is concerned for us, we unlocked our Jacob Fatu, which I'm going to take into Faction Wars in my next live stream, which will be tomorrow. I'm recording this on the 25th of April. So on the 26th, at night, we'll go through some of the Faction Wars, and maybe even take our Diamond card into the World Tour. So we have Jacob Fatu, and the next two collection levels are 9,000 MFP apiece. And then, of course, our next card reward is this awesome 91 Diamond Liv Morgan, which has the same badges as, which has pretty much the same badges as Jacob Fatu. The only thing that I think are the same are Stain Like a Bee, Rabble Rouser, and Heavy Handed. So that is our goal right now, is to get to collection level 19. And I believe, yeah. So the top reward right now is still 8,000 MFP at level 27. Those might increase, because much like last year, we will have some Galaxy Opal rewards as well. So I bought the WrestleMania 41 Volume 2. I haven't opened it, and this one gave us the Action Cosmetics. So we'll go ahead and we'll open that as our search for the Sapphire, Kofi, and Kyrie begins. So pretty nice looking cosmetics. Okay, let's see if... Let's see what we get. All dupes out of that one, okay. That's unfortunate. Okay. That opening wasn't the greatest. And we get a Ruby card, and it is... Jey Uso. 81 Jey Uso. Very nice. The collection rewards are an 82 Roman and an 82 Rhea Ripley. Both are Ruby cards. So Jey is one of the 3 Ruby cards we're looking to get as well in the Volume 2. And so far, all duplicates, no cards at all. Doesn't necessarily give me hope for the rest of this. Silver Ava and a bronze cosmetic. I'm not really a fan of these packs right now. We're getting nothing for WrestleMania. We're almost halfway through this pack, Deluxe 20. Okay, well there's an Emerald Dakota Kai and a Paul Heyman manager card. Okay, Charlie Dempsey. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this at all. Right now. I am very disappointed in this 20 pack. Am I gonna have to buy another one? 7 more packs, and I've only gotten like 3 cards actually out of the... Okay, well there we go. There's the Sapphire Kyrie. So we've got one of the cards anyway that we need for the live events, but we're not really getting much else. Normally I have more luck with the basic. So might buy a few basic packs after this. But I'm not liking this. A gold X-Pac manager card, okay. Okay, Sapphire Dom. So we've only gotten like 4 or 5 Volume 2 cards. Like, that's insane. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Like, that was a lot of packs, and we only got 5 out of 18. So, Ruby Sheamus and Ruby Cody. Fuck. Well, at least we got Kyrie. But I guess we can... Let's buy a couple of the basic packs and see what kind of luck we have. We'll buy some of the basic packs and we'll see what kind of luck we have. At least buy 3 of them anyway. No. Not enjoying this at all. Okay, 1 more pack. And let's see what we get. Okay. Sapphire, Carrion, and then in gold, Armando Estrada. Not bad. So 28 cards to the next level. Well, now we're at 6 out of 18. So, I mean, it's not bad, but at the same time, it's like, We have more luck with the basic than we do the, Okay, well, let's buy a 10-pack of basic. And we'll see what happens. The fact that we haven't gotten any of... Okay, Sapphire Carmelo. The fact that we've barely gotten any of the cards. Silver Heyman Manager card. Ooh, what is this? This is an Emerald Tamina. Interesting that we got the glow out of that. I didn't think we'd get a glow out of a ruby card. Or emerald card, I should say. More useless cosmetics. So. Still no Sapphire Kofi. Okay, let's buy another one. And this will be the last one. I was hoping to have this video with some pretty decent pulls, but it looks like that's not to be at the moment. Well, there we go. Emerald BFAB. Emerald Cruise. Another Emerald Cruise and another cosmetic. Kind of wish you could trade side plates in for MFP. Hey, an Emerald Natty. Again, I have better luck with the basic packs than I do the deluxe. Still no Sapphire Kofi. No Sapphire Kofi yet. So we've opened almost 50 packs. And haven't gotten anything that we really need. Okay. Last one. Okay. Sapphire Maurice. That's not bad. Let's get one deluxe. Why not? Let's get one deluxe. Sapphire Maurice. But we already have a Sapphire Maurice. Ugh. Not a fan of these pulls at all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will be streaming tomorrow night, which will be Saturday, April the 26th at 7 p.m. MST, and we will grind away at some faction wars and maybe even World Tour. Until then, I'll see y'all later. Peace.